Have you ever been charged an overdraft fee and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm already broke. I can't even afford the overdraft fee. This video is going to save you money starting this week. Today we're talking about something that silently keeps people stuck, and that's overdraft and late fees. So if you're getting overdraft fees, you're not being irresponsible, you're not being lazy, the system is just not protecting you. So today I want to give you a simple setup to help block those fees before they even happen. Overdrafts usually happens for 3 reasons. Number 1, your bills hit before payday. Number 2, you forgot something was on auto pay. And number 3, your account was too close to zero. And when you're living too close to the edge, one charge can trigger a fee. This is how we're going to fix it. Number 1, build a small buffer, which means you want to have an extra amount of money in the account that you keep overdrafting on, whether it be $25, $50, $100, or more. Make sure you have a buffer account. Don't ever touch that money. Just leave it in there because it's just a cushion. It's going to protect you. That is your overdraft protection, but on your terms. So if you keep that buffer amount in your account, and something happens again, you're protected. Nothing's going to happen because you have that buffer account. Your goal is to never let your account hit zero. Zero is very dangerous. Zero is where fees live. Tip number 2, turn on account alerts. Some banks will let you set up your account to get a notification if your account dips below a certain amount. Definitely reach out to your bank and see if this is an option, or on your app, maybe you can get notified. Sign up for something, because just to get that extra text message like, hey, you better watch your account, is just such a nice sense of extra protection. And tip number 3, stop mixing your bill money with your spending money. Because when Walmart money and fun money are coming out of bill money, that gets dangerous. And that's how overdrafts happen. So if you don't have a budget in place and know exactly what's coming and going, I highly suggest watching my video from last week about the 3 accounts that you need in your life. And tip number 4, I would talk to your bank about opting out of the overdraft coverage, because if they cover that charge you just put through that maybe you don't have enough money to cover, and the bank covered it for you, they're going to charge you that fee. But if you tell them, say, hey, I don't want the money to go through. If I don't have enough money, I want you to block it. They can set it up that way. So then that charge won't even go through. If you're at the store and you think you have enough, but maybe you're just a couple pennies shy, boop, it'll block you. So why do late fees happen? Well, they happen because our due dates are scattered all over the month. Or maybe you forgot a bill that was coming through. Or your money wasn't in the right place at the right time. So I would highly suggest getting your due dates in an order that makes sense to you. Call the credit card company and ask them to change your due date. Call a utility company. They will gladly change the due date for you. And that's with anything. It may even be with school loans too, but it's definitely with credit cards and utilities. They want to work with you. They want their money. So they will be willing to work with you on what date works for you. And if you do get a late fee, call the bank right away. Explain your situation and ask them if they will waive the fee for you this time. Maybe you can get out of it and get that money back in your account. When I did have an overdraft fee many years ago, I did call the bank and I did explain my situation, and they did waive the fee. So I didn't have to pay it. So I was stressed out for a while. I got my finances in order, figured everything out, and I was still on the right track. Because when they take those fees from you unexpectedly like that, and you already don't have the money, oh my gosh, it just ruins your whole month. And we don't want that. So make a simple call to the bank and see if they'll work with you. All right, so we want to keep a $100 buffer in the account. You want to get notification when your account runs low. Stop mixing your bills with your extra spending. Make sure you have the right overdraft protection with your bank. Make a call to them and talk to them about what kind of protection you have on your account, so you're fully aware of what's going on. Change your due dates to make everything run way smoother. This is a simple system if we follow it, but I do understand things happen. I have done this myself. I have been there. And we just don't want it to happen again. We need to try to prevent it and not allow that bank to take our money. I believe in you. I believe you can do this. So make sure you watch my video from last week. I think this will really help you out and get you going in the right direction. I like to talk simple money talk that helps women get out of debt and back on the savings track with no stress. So join me next week. And my name's Kathy, and I will see you all. Thank you.